Hey everyone, welcome back to Your Florida Electrician, and today I have some mud flaps from EVBase that I desperately need for my Model Y Juniper. I live on a dirt, rocky road, and the car has been getting extremely dinged up because the tires stick out a little bit further than the body, or at least so it appears. Today, we're going to simply pop these in. From what I understand, I need a pry tool and a wrench, neither of which I have. I'm going to try to do it anyway. So if I understand correctly, I have two rivet things I need to pop out. On this one, the front one, this will be marked front left. We're going to pop those out. Stick this in the little groove here. Looks pretty straightforward for the front. Well, that was easy. You guys already know how much I don't like working on cars. So this is clipped into the back of there. Had to pull out these two original rivets, put some new plastic rivets in there, and I only needed the screwdriver so far. Let's try the one in the back. That's pretty slick. All right, you can see already how much better that looks. All right, and that's only with a few minutes. That's one side. I wasn't aware I needed a wrench for underneath. My clients aren't working, so when I get home, I'll take the wrench to it. I'm gonna do the other side. And just like that, done. When I get home, I am going to take care of that wrench situation that I need to do. I didn't bring a wrench. Didn't know I needed a wrench. But this should work very nice. And again, for people that don't work on cars like me, I mean, what was I here? 15 minutes total, including camera setup and everything. Super easy. For those people that don't like working on their cars, this is perfect. And that's going to prevent a lot of the damage I've been seeing on my car. Okay guys, take it from a guy that does not like working on cars. Just ask my brother. This was easy. All I need is the one wrench for back there. Take the bolt out, put it back in. Done. Easy. 15 minutes or less. EVBase. Check out the description for discounts. Pretty sure I can get you a discount. I think I want to say about 20%. Check it out in the description. Thank you for watching, and thank you, EVBase, blinging out my car.